Welcome to your MovMax N2 and Razor Starhead tuning tutorial. This tutorial is working for the N2 Mini and Razor Starhead as they are very equal for this dampening part. From stock you have these white silicone O-rings in the dampening part. You can see here there is play. Critical is the play in the horizontal direction. When the Starhead is in use, these O-rings can find their way around the nut and can get lost. This will make it even more worse and add more play to the head. Unscrew the nut with a 7mm nut screwdriver. If you have the dampers with the spring, press the dampers a bit to the inside to make more space for the screwdriver. Move the head back to the horizontal 0 position and pull the dampers end up. For the spring-mounted dampers again, press them a bit to the inside and then move them up. There are 2 O-rings on top of the damper and 2 O-rings below. Those silicone rings from stock are very soft. I replaced them with stiffer rubber O-rings. Place 2 O-rings onto the pole below the ball head. Move back the damper onto the pole and make sure the lower 2 O-rings fit perfect into the damper's hole. Put 2 O-rings on top of the damper. Make as well sure they fit perfect into the damper's hole. On top we will place a nylon washer with 8mm diameter and a 4mm hole. This washer will avoid that the O-rings will make their way again around the nut. Screw the M4 nut back on and fasten it with the 7mm nut screwdriver. Again, press the spring damper version a bit to the inside to have space for the screwdriver. Fasten the nut until you are still able to turn the damper a bit around its axis. That is needed when the Starhead is working. Make sure there is no horizontal play left. When all 3 dampers are done and you move the Starhead with your hands, you will feel the head is now without any play that potential have inserted vibrations into your scenes.